In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales pipeline HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a deal into your pipeline, so your sales process is organized and trackable from day one. First, open HubSpot and head to the main navigation. Start by clicking on CRM. This takes you into the core area where your contacts, companies, and sales tools live. If you don't see CRM right away, look for the sales menu in your navigation bar. It's the same destination. Next, click on Deals. This is your pipeline view. You can switch between a board and a list, but either way, this is where every opportunity is tracked. Keeping your deals here ensures your forecasts are accurate and your team has one source of truth. Now, click on Add Deals. This begins the process of creating a new opportunity. If you already have deals in the system, you'll see your existing list or board. Adding a new one won't affect anything else. Choose Create New. This opens the deal creation panel where you'll enter the key details. Think of this as the foundation of your pipeline record. Getting it right now will save you time later. Start by editing the deal name. Use a clear, consistent naming convention, like the prospect's company plus the product or solution. For example, Acme, annual platform subscription. The goal is to make it instantly recognizable for you and your team. Next, select the deal stage. This represents where the opportunity sits in your sales process, such as qualification, demo scheduled, or contract sent. Stages typically have associated probabilities, which drive your forecasting. Choose the stage that best matches the current reality of this deal, so your pipeline stays honest and useful. Add the amount. Enter the expected value of the deal. If your organization uses a specific currency, HubSpot will apply it automatically. If the amount isn't fully defined yet, add your best estimate based on scope and timeline. You can always update this later as details evolve. Edit the deal type. Common options include new business or existing business. Selecting the right type helps with reporting, especially when you want to separate expansion revenue from net new wins. Pick the category that reflects the nature of this opportunity. Finally, click Create. Your new deal will be saved and added to your pipeline at the stage you chose. From here, you can track activities, log notes, and move the deal forward as conversations progress. That's it. You've just created a deal in HubSpot and placed it in your sales pipeline. Keep your naming consistent, your stages accurate, and your amounts realistic, and your pipeline will quickly become one of your most powerful sales tools.